Like I'm showing you, that right there's got chicken shit and cow shit in it. Drying it out. What that does, that cow shit and chicken shit in here, blended together. I put some water in this, just a little. Reblend it. I have to reblend it again, just like I was doing there. Then let it dry for about a week. Then I put it in my damn gardens. The reason I'm doing that, it gives an area, but yet it puts all the vitamins in it, everything it needs. But right there, that fertilizer and dirt mixed together, you got 16, 16, 10 in fertilizer. That much right there should do a little flower bed. See what I'm saying? And I'll give it like 2-3 weeks. That sucker be started growing big time. That's what you call the secret of gardening successfully. I got a video that says that successful gardening, I think it's like the 4th, 5th, or 6th one. You have to go look for it. And it's I'm ahead of backwood prepping by days. You can look for that. Also, that's in the description. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.